Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wuben. Now this here is the X1. Now I was sent this is a review sample that was sent to me. They haven't released it on their website just yet, so it's like a sneak peek view of this light. So I want to thank them for doing this. So now let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in it. Now, remember, all review samples are going to be limited to accessories, really not what it's going to be like when it comes to you when it's released. So kind of take that with a grain of salt. Will come with a mounting bracket here so you can mount this light on your bike. Take all the accessories out. We've got a Type-C to Type-C charging, paracord lanyard, and you've got an extra bracket here that goes on the light. That way you can run it on your bicycle if you want. Really hope that they send everyone their lights in this holster, because it's really a nice quality and it's perfect for the light, especially when transporting in the package. So the retail package is going to be different than this. Looking at the holster, very nice quality. Nice D-ring, quick release, and you've got the double stitched material. Really thick on that. Got the quick release. It's nice. Alright, now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. And there it is. Interesting design here. You do have one external fan that's built into it, of course, and it shoots through the fins here. I did try it out, put it on, I think it was high, it wasn't on turbo, and this fan kicks on after a couple of minutes. I could feel the heat coming through there. So definitely a good design, seems to be working fine. This is a sealed unit. Really compact, easy to hold this if you want. Definitely is a different looking light. Not going to roll at all. Can table stand that if you wish. The body on it is very smooth, but it's got a flat finish on it. Here's the charging port. Thing is solid. It's almost like a brick. Not quite as heavy as a brick, but the way it's built, really rugged, solid on this thing. Got the side switch here. As you can see, it kind of goes down in there, so it is not flush with the body. Now this light here, you can program it a little bit as far as the light outputs. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the textured reflectors. Now as you can see, it's running 3 Cree XHP 70.2 LEDs. Now normally I would take the light apart, show you the batteries, and the insides, but we don't have that option for this light sealed unit. So now we're going to go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward on this, except for the programming, which we're not going to go over because you can do that at your own preference. We're going to go ahead and use the default. Get some of this out of the way. We're going to turn it on. Nice wide beam. It's going to be more flood than anything. Turn that off. Turn it on. Press down and hold. We'll now go through the light outputs. Now you do have a battery level indicator here. This will start to blink red when it's critically low, and you won't be able to get on the higher outputs. Press down and hold. If you want to hold it down, you can, or you can do it individually. It's your choice. Now if you do want to get the highest output, double click. We'll get you the turbo output, which is monstrous. Whew. Thing is incredibly bright. Man, that is impressive. Now if you do want to get the special mode, you're going to click 3 times on the side switch. 1, 2, 3. We'll get you strobe. Now that has a variable speed on the flash, and it is distracting. Click it 1 time. It does have memory mode. So if we go up here, turn the light off, turn it back on. Same goes for the next level. Now, to lock out this light, because you don't want it to accidentally come on, you're going to simply press the side switch 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll give you the confirmation blink. Now the light will not come on. Now the button does light up a little bit. Gives you a couple flashes there. Now we're going to go ahead and unlock it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the light is back on, and we'll go into the light outputs. And that's all there is to the UI. Pretty straightforward, easy to use. Nothing's difficult. I believe the light spacings are very nice just by default. Now you can tweak them out a little bit. I think there's 1,000 lumens you can kind of, lower between the different levels. It's up to you. Hopefully the manual that comes with this light will go into that a lot more detail than what I have. Really like this finish. It almost looks like a stoned finish on it. Got a couple of lights that have this type of finish on them, and they're really rugged. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this X1 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wuben X1. The first level here. There it is on the fence. Basically pure flood. I'll give you an idea here. Let's go to the next level over here. Nice even spacing on the UI. 65 feet to that tree there. It's not going to have a lot of throw, but we'll have a lot of wide field vision. We're going to go up to the next level here, see how it does. Now, if you have any doubts on my distances or any questions, There's a link below all my videos. That is making the Tree of Life, 138 feet there now. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Very nice, wide beam on this. See a lot of area to the side of you. And like I said, the fan is not very loud at all. Let's go ahead and do turbo, see how it does. Wow, that is impressive. Doing some kind of construction over here since the school is out. Not too sure what they're doing. Now the fan is on, I can feel it running, but can't hear it too much. Very nice wide beam. Nice wide beam. Now we'll dial down, cycle down, whatever you want to call it, which is normal, and it has done so. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots on this X1 Falcon. Really is impressive. Mainly pure flood, so if you're needing a large area to be lit up that has very nice run times, and the cooling technology is very impressive. It does help out quite a bit. Will give you better run times on the higher outputs, which is very nice, especially for a light like this. It's relatively compact. Now this definitely has a unique design, so it's definitely going to be a conversation piece. The UI is super simple. Now the single fan on this is not very loud at all, so it does do its job. You can feel quite a bit of heat coming away from it. It does well. Probably does a lot better than if it didn't have it. Holster, very nice quality. Type-C charging is a plus on this. Now the Type-C is a huge plus if you use a QC 3.0 or PD charger, at least 30 watts or more. You're really going to charge this up quicker, and that'll get you back on the road. Solid and rugged build quality on this. No issues. Wuben, I've been doing lights for them for many years, and it's always a great pleasure to see something new come out from them or from any flashlight company. Alright, well, I want to thank Wuben for sending me this X1 to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, now I don't know the release date, don't know when it's going to be on their website just yet, but if I do get that, they will pass the information on to me. I will put that link at a later date below the video. If they do provide it to me before the release of this video, the link will be there below the video. Also working always with them to get a special discount code. If I do get it, that'll be there as well. Hopefully that'll save you some money on this light, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. That little bit of donation you give me really helps out my channel. Please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these sneak peeks to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.